Kevin here on behalf of Mr. Tech Reviewers, doing a quick on vacation review here at my grandma's house. As you can see, all this medication here. Got this at Fry's. This is a Patriot signature 2 GB micro SD card for my phone. Technology that delivers micro SD, comes with the case. I got this at Fry's for $3.95. You can still get it. It has a 5-year warranty. Pretty impressive. Designed for mobile phones and compliant with current SD Association specifications. Different languages, as you can see. Let me see where this is made in. Made in Taiwan. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's really small writing. Made in Taiwan. Let's go ahead and unbox this. So this is going to be a pretty minor unboxing, since it's just a little package, but we'll unbox it anyways. It's got Fry's 15-day return policy. Gonna have to break the package, take it out. Got the SD card here. Pop it out. And here we have the card itself, gold plate connectors, the case itself. It's lockable. Next, let's go unbox this 6-foot HDMI cable. I also got Fry's. Gold plate connectors, 1080p ready. I'm not sure if it's HD ready, made in China. It's very generic. Got it for $1.77 at Fry's. Had a good deal on it. Let's go ahead and unbox it. It's pretty straightforward. Just rip it out of the packaging. And here we have it. It's one little plastic tie tying it all together. Both sides are gold-plated connectors. Standard HDMI 1.38 compliant. And that's about it. Well, thanks for watching, guys, on the Patriot Signature Series micro SD card and the generic HDMI cable unboxing from Fry's. This is Kevin on behalf of Mr. Tech Reviewers. Have a good summer. Have a safe 4th of July. And peace out. Subscribe, please.